Hi, Scott Deputy here, your local realtor safety and self-defense expert, back with our next video on realtor safety tips, tricks, and proactive business practices to help keep you safe running your real estate business. In our last video, you may recall we started discussing the use of technology as a way to help us keep safe. We talked about verifying identities using social media and Google searches. We talked about the safety timer application inside of HomeSnap Pro, as well as the SentryLock lockbox system. And today I'd also like to bring to your awareness wearable safety technology that includes panic button alert capability using Bluetooth on your smartphone. So I encourage you to do some investigation into wearable safety technology. There are a lot of great products on the market now that are affordable and useful. There are brands like Invisiwear or the Katana safety system, both of which have been endorsed by NAR. But these are wearable technologies that, again, connect via Bluetooth to your smartphone and include panic button capabilities, just like a home security system would, where if you had an intruder alert in your home, you could hit the panic button and send a signal to get a call for help out using a monitored security station. These wearable technologies have similar functionality now, where there's a monitoring station waiting for that signal. If they receive that call for help, they will then geolocate you using the GPS technology in your phone and alert first responders. And of course, first responders then can find the closest responder to your location using the connectivity of the GPS system. So again, a couple of brands that I mentioned, Invisiwear, Katana safety device. These are just a couple examples of a multitude that are now available. I encourage you to go online, do a basic search of wearable safety technology, evaluate the products on the market, but please look at these. They're affordable. Every person should have them, not just realtors in my opinion, but there are some really great products, affordable solutions, and in my opinion, everyone should be carrying something where they can get help in an instant, because when it comes to safety and your personal safety, the seconds matter. So I hope you found this useful. We'll look forward to seeing you in our next video.